Hello, aviation enthusiasts. Today, we're discussing a powerful tool every pilot can rely on for better decision-making, the 3P model. This method breaks down the process of managing flight risks into 3 steps: perceive, process, and perform. It's simple, effective, and could make all the difference in ensuring a safe flight. Let's explore what makes this model a must-know for every pilot. The 3P model is a structured approach to aeronautical decision-making. It helps pilots identify risks, assess their potential impact, and decide the best course of action. By following this model, pilots are better prepared to handle unexpected situations. But what makes it so practical? It's the simplicity, breaking a complex task into manageable steps. The first step in the model is to perceive potential risks. This is where pilots assess everything related to the flight: the condition of the pilot, the aircraft, the environment, and any external pressures. Identifying these hazards early is key to preventing problems later. After identifying potential risks, the next step is to process the information. This involves analyzing the severity, probability, and exposure of each risk. For instance, if you're low on fuel and the weather is worsening, how serious is the situation? This step is all about evaluating your options carefully. The final step is perform. This is where decisions turn into actions. Pilots take measures to address the risks identified, such as changing the route, delaying the flight, or carrying extra fuel. This step ensures that the flight continues safely while keeping future risks in mind. The 3P model is more than just a checklist. It's a framework that supports consistent and sound decision-making. By integrating this model into training and regular pre-flight planning, pilots are better prepared for the unexpected. It's an invaluable tool for ensuring smooth, safe flights. The 3P model is a simple yet powerful approach to managing flight risks. By perceiving, processing, and performing, pilots can confidently handle challenges in the air. With this model, every flight is a step closer to safer skies and better decision-making. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the skies. Safe travels, everyone. Remember, the sky is full of possibilities when you're prepared. Until next time.